It is always exciting to take a good product and make it better. Bud's upgraded AN die-cast box series now meets NEMA 6 and IP68 ratings, providing the highest level of protection available in the industry at such a low price. Made from rugged ADC-12 alloy die-cast aluminum, they are resistant to atmospheric and marine corrosion and are ideal for housing sensitive electronic assemblies, pneumatic, hydraulic, and electrical devices in any environment from the factory floor to mounted on outdoor poles. The real test is to see how they perform under pressure, so to speak. We have taken this box, put a business card in it to test for dryness, sealed it as it normally would be, and then submerged it in this trash can to simulate 1 meter in depth, leaving it pressed down underwater for over 30 minutes. We remove the box from the water, open the lid, and as you'll see, the card as well as the inside of the box have remained completely dry. The AN-A series is available in 24 sizes and in a natural finish and durable black powder coat finish. We recommend for marine or saltwater environments that you use the powder coated boxes. The boxes also come in a version with welded-on mounting brackets to ease installation. All of the AN-A series is in stock and available from your local Bud distributor today. For more information and to learn about Bud Industries' leading 5-day modification program, contact your local Bud distributor or call us at the Bud Factory at 440-946-3200 or email us at saleswest@budin.com. Thank you.